You're gorgeous, even though you might not always feel like it, but
this is so good. Oh, hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jimreen. And if you are interested in watching more videos, or if you're willing to support me, click that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video for more videos. I actually did this look for you guys tonight. Nothing too dramatic. I actually did this look using this palette. This is the Hudabeauty Desert Dusk palette. This palette was actually a Christmas gift for me from my sister in Washington. Her name is Jimreen. She was actually in my previous video. I'll go ahead and link that video down below in case if you haven't watched that. So this is how the palette looks like. I am so scared to use all of it. I actually did not want to use this palette at all, but I figured why not make a look using this palette. So that's what I did. So Jimreen, because of you, I decided to work on a look using this palette. Thank you so much. You're actually really awesome. Jimreen actually gave me a lot of stuff for Christmas, and this Hudabeauty palette is one of them. And yeah, some of the stuff that I'll be using in this video were actually given from her as well too. So Jimreen, thank you so much. I freaking love you. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this video on how I achieve this look for you guys. So yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you so much for being part of my YouTube. Thank you for your support, for your love, for all the likes, and being subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please go ahead and click the subscribe button for new videos. If you want to be alerted or notified that I am uploading a new video, go ahead and click on the bell somewhere down there. Well, you know, somewhere down where above the description box. But yeah, go ahead and click that bell button for new videos to be notified. I think that's it for tonight. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Good night.